Billions of years ago, in a universe vast and unknown, a tiny planet was born. And on that planet, life emerged slowly but steadily. Humans were like a child born into the vastness of space with no clue where we came from or what lies beyond the stars. For thousands of years, we looked up at the night sky wondering, are we alone? But as we grew, so did our knowledge and our curiosity. We began to explore our world and then the space beyond it. Now the child that was once lost in this cosmic ocean has sent a message from humanity into the stars. This is the story of our message to the stars. This is the story of the Voyager Golden Record. Humanity's message to the universe. What inspired us to send it? What secrets does it hold? And how will anyone who finds this message come to know us? Let's uncover this incredible journey of hope, curiosity, and progress. So why would humans, an emerging civilization on a tiny planet, send a message into the infinite void of space? What made NASA decide that we were ready to say hello to the cosmos? Let's find out. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft to explore the outer planets. But some visionary minds thought beyond our solar system. They asked a profound question. What if we sent a message for other civilizations to find? A message that might outlive us. A message of who we are and a message that would travel through space for millions of years. This bold idea was championed by Carl Sagan, one of the most passionate voices in science. For him, sending a message into space wasn't just about reaching extraterrestrials. It was about showcasing the beauty, the diversity, and the unity of humanity. NASA's decision wasn't just a scientific mission. It was a statement. We are here, we are explorers, and we are reaching out into the unknown. But what could we possibly say to the universe? What do you tell a civilization that you may never meet? The Voyager Golden Record was created by a team led by Carl Sagan, along with brilliant minds like Frank Drake and Ann Druyan. Their mission was to encapsulate everything that defines us as humans, the good, the bad, and the beautiful. What did they include on the record? An incredible collection. 115 images showing life on Earth, our landscapes, people, and the creatures we share the planet with. Greetings in 55 different languages showing the diversity of human culture. Music from across the world, traditional songs from Africa and Asia, and even Chuck Berry's rock and roll. Sounds of Earth, the heartbeat of a human, the sounds of nature, laughters, and the cry of a baby. But perhaps the most intimate part of the record is the brainwaves of Ann Druyan herself. While recording them, she thought about love, about her feelings for Carl Sagan, and about the hope that one day, someone out there might understand what it means to be human. How do you communicate with beings you've never seen? How do you explain your world to a species that might not even exist? The scientists knew this was a challenge. The Golden Record wasn't just about the data, it was about telling a story. So, the scientists also engraved a guide into the surface of Golden Record, explaining how to unlock its secrets. With simple, visual instructions, it shows how to play the record and decode its data. The record contains analog signals that can be translated into images and sounds, but they also gave aliens a crucial piece of the puzzle: pulsars. These cosmic beacons were used to show where our planet is located in the galaxy. It is as if we were lighting a tiny candle in the vast dark of space, hoping that someone someday will see its flicker and come to find us. Voyager 1, carrying the Golden Record, is now the farthest human-made object from Earth, over 14 billion miles away, in interstellar space. It's traveling at incredible speeds, farther than any human has ever gone. But it will take 40,000 years for Voyager 1 to even approach another star. The Golden Record continues its journey, silently drifting through space, with no fixed destination. It won't need any fuel to keep moving because, in the vacuum of space, there's nothing to slow it down. According to the laws of Newtonian physics, objects in motion continue moving unless acted upon by an external force. So Voyager 1 will drift through space indefinitely, even when it will run out of fuel. Space is vast beyond our imagination. The chances that Voyager will cross paths with another intelligent civilization are nearly impossible. And even if it happens, it could take millions of years. We'll never know if anyone out there finds the Golden Record. It's a message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean, with no expectation of return. And yet, that's what makes it so beautiful. The Golden Record wasn't sent with certainty. It was sent with hope. Hope that one day, our voices will be heard across the stars. The Voyager mission and the Golden Record are symbols of our progress. We started as beings lost in the vastness of space, unsure of our place in the universe, but over centuries, we grew. We built machines that could reach for the stars, and in 1977, we sent our voice into the infinite. The child born into the unknown has now grown. We are ready to explore the cosmos, to search for answers to the deepest questions. How did we come into existence? What lies beyond the stars? Whether or not the record is ever found, it will continue to travel through the universe as a testament to our hope, unity, and curiosity. The message is clear. We are here, we are explorers, and we will keep reaching for the unknown. The Golden Record is still out there, carrying our story into the stars. From the day we first gazed up at the night sky to today, our journey is far from over. We have sent a message of peace, unity, and hope into the universe. And no matter where it lands, it will always carry the spirit of humanity. If this story of hope and exploration inspired you, please do like this video and subscribe for more incredible stories. Also, let me know in the comments, if given a chance, what message would you send into the cosmos?